TR here. This video is about the assignment Know Yourself. This content page is located in the second module, Careers and Finance, under Career Exploration, and it's the fourth content page titled Assignment Knowing Yourself. Now, I'm not going to read this section. That's your job. Carefully take a look at the instructions. Take a peek at what this image has to share with you. And then I want you to click on the log into the Alice website with this link here. When you do that, this is what you're going to see. This page will appear. Now, once you're on this page, you can access it through as a guest account, or you can sign in. I'm suggesting you sign in because there's a lot of good stuff on this site. Where do we go to learn about ourselves, to know ourselves? Well, we click on Plan Your Career. And then we scroll down to the Know Yourself, and we click on that area. And then we get this page. Now this page has 9 quizzes and exercises. It's like, whoa, I don't want to be doing 9. But you know what? This kind of stuff, these exercises and quizzes really give you a really in-depth look at who you are and what kind of interests you really have. A lot of you may think, well, yeah, I want to be this, or I think I know that, but these quizzes and exercises really help you narrow down where you're at. So on the left side of the page, you'll see an interest, exercise, abilities, and work value. I'm asking you to pick at least 2 of 3 of these. On the middle of the page, identify your experiences. You've got skills, traits, and identify your experiences, pick 2 of 3 of those. Then you've got preferred working conditions, multiple intelligences, and vision exercise, pick 2 of 3 of those. So we're looking to get at least 6, 2 of each area, to give you a reasonable, yeah, okay, this should tell me a lot about myself. Now, I'm just going to move this so I can expand this page. Knowing Yourself. This is the template that I've created for you, and I've forgotten to show you where you can access it, but I'll do it in a minute. Now, what I've done is I've created a PowerPoint, and I've created multiple slides, and as you can see, these slides ask you to place, like this slide, you need to give the 5th quiz you've done its name, and then take a snapshot of the results for that quiz. Once you've done the quizzes, then there's questions. Were there any surprises in what you learned about yourself? 3+ sentences. Be honest. Only I will read this, and nobody else will. And this is just for you. This is good stuff for you. And we've got 2 slides or multiple slides regarding these evaluation questions. Now, back to our pages here. Where would you find that template? Well, if you scroll down, you will see, I tell you, here's the PowerPoint template, Knowing Yourself. Now, where do you put it? You submit it to the assignment folder, Career Portfolio. Okay, this is the first of 3 assignments you're going to load into your Career Portfolio. To do that, you will go Assignments, and you scroll to Career Portfolio, you open that, and you add your document to that. Now, the last thing that I wanted to talk about was, once you're done that, it says, now that you've read this content page and submitted your Knowing Yourself project to the appropriate folder, the assignment Career Exploration link should now be functional. Click on this link to open the page. So once you've done this content page will be open for you. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. I'm always happy to help. And good luck and all the best. Thank you very much. Bye now.